Hey, and welcome to the channel. On this channel, it's basically going to be a live trading only type channel. I'm just doing an introduction video. I'm going to introduce you to the strategy. Make sure you subscribe and tune in at the beginning of New York. I'm actually going to be trading the S&P 500 micro and some other futures. So basically the strategy is very simple. A little bit of technical analysis and market structure will be involved, but for the most part it's trade what you see. I'm not going to be following any of the conventional rules of how you're supposed to trade with risk reward. Number of trades, over trading, it does not exist. Like, there are so many different things that are going to look the same, but they're going to be done so much differently. I'm going to be doing a short little delay with the stream just to make sure everything goes well. I'll try to call out everything I'm doing ahead of time, but basically everything is going to be live market trading. What I'm actually doing right now is a prop firm challenge from Top Step Trader. You're welcome to check them out. They offer challenges starting at $50 per month and $50 resets. Basically, it's you can lose $2,000 or gain $3,000 for the target, so it's $50 to control $2,000 worth of drawdown. And you're welcome to trade just about any futures instrument. And the commissions for what I'm going to be trading are $1.42 round trip, so a few points and that's covered. That's really the only thing I'm really concerned with, and the rest is just, if the market is going down, I'm going to sell. If the market is going up, I'm going to buy, and if it's sideways, I'm probably going to either hang on to what I got or stick out of it. Right now this might not be a good position, but as far as the strategy goes, I'm still kind of hammering out all the little rough edges with it. It's been quite some time since I've actually traded this way, so I'll have to get back into the swing of it. Plus, as you can notice, this is a 1 minute chart which I'll be trading from. I'll kind of get into that in a minute, but basically what it is I'm looking at this as data. I'm not looking at this as time frames. Some strategies rely on set time frames, 5, 10, 15 minute, hour, so on and so forth. No, I'm worried about trading what's happening right now, because all strategies kind of have that inherent fault that you have to follow these rules, and they kind of force you into a pattern that you can't control. So I'm looking to break all of that, simplify things, because if you're trying to follow all of the standard rules of trading, you have so many different variables that if just even a couple don't line up correctly, it ends up being detrimental in the long run, and you end up not making money. So the object is to make money, and to do that we have to get it right. So just tune in with me live and we'll go through this as it goes. It's kind of a trade what you see, so I'll try to explain everything as I go along. Again, just be sure to subscribe and hit the bell, but you can also just drop in at New York session start. I'm going to be trading at the beginning of the New York Stock Exchange Open, and I could be trading anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. I will sit and trade the full session sometimes. Depends on what I'm working on. This account may actually get reset. It's just $49 to reset it, so no big deal to me. Especially with $2,000 of loss I can take advantage of. I can trade as much as I want, make it experimental, and then once I've got this strategy correct, I'll be going forward. But no affiliation with Top Step. I'm kind of checking on that to see if there's anything I can get in relation to discounts or anything like that, but so far nothing. And I'm not really worried about too much about selling or anything like that. So I'm just trying to trade, work the strategy, and show that all of those rules mean nothing, because I made money before, and when I started learning, I started losing. Had to do quite a few math tricks to start making some money, and that's just becoming frustrating, especially with a slow market and some of the other factors involved in forex trading. So I'm just going to move to futures on this channel, and you're welcome to trade along, but like I say, I advise you to just observe and follow along and trade on a demo account, but you are able to think for yourself. So I will leave it at that, and I will catch you tomorrow once I come live for the New York session.